Hey friends, in this video I'm going to show you on how you can enable or disable or turn on and turn off the Windows Security Antivirus of your Windows. So Windows Security Antivirus for your Windows, this is the antivirus or the default antivirus of your Windows. So in some cases that there is an application that is not launching or that is not opening, blocking or disabling the antivirus of your Windows, this can help the application from launching or from opening. So sometimes it is a good way to block or disable the antivirus of your Windows to let the application launch or open. But once that application has been launched or opened, then you need to enable again the antivirus or the Windows Security Antivirus of your Windows because this is a very important security for your Windows. So you are just going to temporarily disable the antivirus of your Windows whenever there are applications that needs to be launched or opened. So how can you enable or disable the Windows Security Antivirus of your Windows? Click on the Show Hidden Icons on your taskbar, arrow that is facing upwards. Click on that, and you will find the Windows Security icon. Click on that. Now, if you want to search for it in the Windows search bar, you can simply type here Windows Security. And that will appear under the best match in the same window. Now here in the list of options for your Windows Security Antivirus, you have to click on the second option, the Virus and Threat Protection, the one with the shield symbol. Now under the Virus and Threat Protection, scroll down and look for the Virus and Threat Protection settings. Click on Manage Settings. Now we are going to disable the antivirus or the Windows Security Antivirus. So for the real-time protection, locates and stops malware from installing or running on your device, simply switch this button off. Dev drive protection, switch that off. Cloud delivered protection, switch that off. Automatic sample submission, switch that off. Tamper protection, switch that off. Now, once you get your job done or once you have solved the issue by disabling the antivirus or the Windows Security Antivirus, then you need to go back to the same window to enable again the Windows Security Antivirus because this is a very important security for your Windows. Again, once you have get your job done, like you have opened the application or you have fixed an issue, after you have disabled the antivirus, the Windows Security Antivirus, then you need to go back to the Windows Security. So click on the Show Hidden Icons and click on it. And you need to enable it again. Now click on the Virus and Threat Protection. Click on Manage Settings under Virus and Threat Protection Settings. Now you have disabled the real-time protection. This time we are going to enable it because we are just going to temporarily disable the Windows Security Antivirus of our Windows. So you are just going to enable all of the options right here and then you're done. So I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.